Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
I think that the beginning of autumn is a great time to do some cleaning and decluttering before we get really busy with the winter holidays. It seems like we can accumulate so much stuff during the holidays, so it's a good time to clear things out before we're busy with the holiday rush. Today I started in the kitchen, as I often do. I have a few areas in my kitchen that are hot spots and collect clutter. This little coffee cart gets crowded with stuff, and I wanted to give it a more thorough clean today.
And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
In general, I try to keep our countertops pretty clear, but do you ever notice how there are certain spots that seem like magnets for stuff? It feels nice to get them cleared off once in a while so that you can have a fresh start.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden.
If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here today. My name is Sarah, and I share videos about cleaning, organizing, and homemaking. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button.
That I love you. Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.
These squash make a really simple fall decoration in the kitchen, and we'll eventually eat them, so they're multi-purpose.
We lose track of time, head up high, now we climb. Oh,
mop the floor in the kitchen every few days because it really shows the dirt. I know you probably can't see it on this video, but I think the light color and the sunlight in here really shows any scuffs or dirt easily. I usually just use hot water and a small amount of dish soap to clean the floor because it's easy and quick and doesn't leave any buildup on the floor.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
I've been wanting to clean out the drawers on this coffee table for a while. I store small decor items in here, but they'd all been shoved into the drawers with no organization, so I wanted to spend some time decluttering and cleaning them out. Of tea light candles and scented candles that were spread between all the drawers that needed consolidated. I have some bins in the basement that I keep seasonal decorations in, so I moved a lot of the decorations from the coffee table down to our basement storage. It's also nice to have a trash bin nearby and donate box so that you can easily toss things in while you declutter. Into a mindset that you have to do all of your decluttering and organizing in one big go. I think tackling one drawer at a time is a manageable amount and makes it much easier to get started. Sometimes I'll set a timer for 15 minutes and get as much done as I can. I think it can be difficult to get started because it feels like such a huge task, but if we break it down into little baby steps, we can accomplish anything. It's just a matter of committing to one little baby step. One drawer or 15 minutes or whatever baby step is manageable to you. Next, I did a little cleaning in my living room and entryway. The living room window collects smudges from sitting on this bench. I love having as much light as possible in our house, and having it clean somehow makes it feel like there's more light coming in. I try to dust the entryway about once a month and clean off the front door. I like having the entryway neat, although ours does collect shoes and coats this time of year. It's a nice invitation home when the entryway is nice and tidy. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.